So, we keep blowing up our gas tank and our fuel feed. I got a couple sticks of this gas tank repair stuff, so we're mixing some up. We got about 10 minutes to the start of the next stage. Fix the gas leak, which is right above the exhaust. But it would be kind of badass to have a little fire just burning out the back as we rip for 40 miles. Just don't stop, right? Just don't stop.
I'm not really sure what I think about that.
We have a 4-liter in-car fire thing. We just fucking pull that and keep going.
Doesn't sound like the best plan. But as far as everything else has been going, that really isn't that bad. Is there any way I can see? There. You got 8 minutes. How do you say the auto es caca? I think. The car is piece of shit. Something like that. It reeks like gas.
It's not sticking.
You did break your exhaust hanger back here.
This one?
Yep. It's broken.
Fucking A, really?
Yep. So is the one in front. The one in front of that's disconnected too.
That's the only thing holding our exhaust.
This wire back here.
Yeah, that's it.
Puppies. Okay? There's no habla, I'm sorry.
I saw this actually at the only rally I've ever been to as a spectator, which is in Ireland. And I saw a team using a chain on their exhaust. And I was like, fuck, these people are kind of smart. Fuck.
The Irish, yeah. If it wasn't for the whiskey, they would have been the first to the moon.
Time?
7.
I don't really have anything to chain it to. I could put it around the sway bar. Do we care? Half shaft.
What about right here?
It says it'll be a sideways hook.
Yeah. What did you say? What about the drive shaft?
The half shaft will be in the way.
Oh.
It's so fucking hot. That's not really gonna do it, dude.
Keep it from falling the fuck off.
I got it.
Subframe up there?
Uh-huh. So hot, Wyatt.
5.5.
Okay.
Is there anything else we need to do before the start I can be doing right now?
I don't think so.
Okay. You want me to check any fluids or anything?
Nah.
Okay.
You got me a big screwdriver or something?
Yeah.
Wait, I might.
Sparko bag?
I don't know.
Flat or Phillips?
I got it. Scrap it.
Okay. Oh yeah, I like it. Four and a half. Want me to hold the exhaust up?
Yeah, use your fire suit
Give
or
me
something.
this. You don't need this rag.
No.
Alright. There?
Hold on.
I can pull harder, I just don't want to break it.
No, just hold it right there for a sec.
Okay.
Problem is, I don't know if this is going to work.
Whatever you do it quick.
Nope. Hold on.
You got it.
You can do it.
4.
Got it. You can try lowering it.
I'm not on it.
But this will give us an emergency.
You wanna hang on, let me grab some pliers. So how do these stupid things work? Those don't work, we're good. I'm gonna tighten the wire.
Oh, that's not going to work.
That's okay. 3 minutes. Bucket?
We've got more wire.
Okay, 3 minutes.
Take this.
Sweet. Two and a half.
That'll get us to the stage, man. Let's go.
See.
Hello.
Fuck out.
Yep. 2.
Yeah, I'm ready to rock.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave this recording, or do you want to split the clip?